Hi everyone, my name is Miss K and this is Homeschool. On today's episode, we're going to be creating Dancing Man. As you can see, so I'm going to introduce us to the materials that will be needed to create this cool dancing man, right? Okay, so first we'll be needing a pair of scissors. Don't forget that you have to use these scissors with the supervision of an adult. We need a color pencil, a marker, uhu gum, and of course, our papers. We have our cardboards of different colors. This is color lemon, pink, yellow, orange, and lastly, our embossed card. I already cut it into strips of this size. So when you're making a dancing man, make sure you have this size of strips. We have our embossed card, which is the base. So you place it on your work table like this, the way I've placed it, like this. Next, you're going to be taking your glue gum. You put some. Now, we're going to be taking one of these colors. You fold to the right and fold to the right and to the left. So we're trying to create the base where our dancing man would stay. And that's, can you see how I'm folding it? You fold like this, then you come to the tip and fold like this. Then you bring it down on your glue. You see what we have? Isn't it nice? Yeah. All right. So next, depends on the color that you want to use. So you can either use pink, but I would like to set my yellow aside for my dancing man. So I'm going to create a round shape with this orange color. So I want the inside to be orange, so I'm going to flip it the other way around. And so we open our glue gum again. So on the tip, you apply your glue gum, just a bit, not too much. Next, we're going to roll it this way. Now, we'll place it. But we want it to stick so that our dancing man can stay. So bring it down, take your glue gum, put a bit of it here on the base, return the cap, set it aside, then you return this here. And you have to wait a bit for it to dry up. Don't rush it. Do it this way. Okay. Next, we're going to take our pink cardboard, then we'll take our color pencil and roll a bit. We need our glue gum again. Because I know you also have your own hands, right? So these are dancing man's hands. So we're gonna fix it here. Okay, so we'll have to move Mr. Dancing Man body aside so that we can create his beautiful head. So now, this is a bit too long, and I have to snip some part away. So I'm going to take my scissors and snip some part away. Good. Now I have to take my whole gum, put some not too much, just apply a little. Next, I'm going to wait for some time for it to dry up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's dried. Now I'm going to bring Mr. Dancing Man back, and I'm going to apply some whole gum here, then attach the head. All right. Next, we're going to create googly eye for Mr. Dancing Man with our marker, black marker. So we're going to have a circle here. Then we'll fill up the circle. Can you see what I've done to Mr. Dancing Man? So next, I want to create his mouth. For Mr. Dancing Man to look, happy, we need to give him some colors. So I'm going to be giving him something on his cheek. So we had some colors to his cheek, some colors to his cheek. All right, so this is our Dancing Man, and this is what our Dancing Man is supposed to look like. I hope you had fun creating this with me. I hope to see you in my next class. Bye.